Hello everyone and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy and today I'm doing DIYs with my Cricut. I just got it and I've just learned how to use it. I did an unboxing video but I haven't uploaded that yet. So I'm taking this fall sign from Dollar Tree and I'm using Waverly Snow White chalk paint. And I think I gave it 2 coats. But I do have the video where I'm unboxing it. I haven't gotten it uploaded yet. I did it on my phone. So I hope you all enjoyed the holidays and got a good start to the new year. It's 60 here and it's lightning and stuff, thundering and lightning. It's wild. We went from 30 below wind chill during Christmas to this. So I had gotten some smart vinyl, smart vinyl, and I had a time with that. It's just going to be a learning curve. It came with a bundle pack that had some samples in it. But then I had gotten some smart vinyl and it's harder to use in my opinion. But I like it. I love all the things so far that I've done with it. So now I'm going to take some matte black paint and dry brush. To give it like that farmhouse look. If you all are new here, I want to welcome you, and I hope if you like the content, you'll consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and that way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and commenting, liking, and then if you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you all. I had a time with the transfer tape too, getting the backing off of it and stuff. I don't know, I asked someone else if they had that problem and they were like, yeah. So it looks so easy in the other videos that I've watched, but I had a time with it. But I went to Walmart and got some more vinyl that's not the smart vinyl. And then I only had a few pieces of I took the transfer tape and I had cut it the wrong size. So I'm like, no biggie, I'll just put it back on this thing and save it for another one. Well, I put it on the back side where the paper was. Yeah. And then when I pulled it up, it pulled up the paper. And that was the 2 sheets that I was given in the bundle. So I got some more transfer tape today and some more vinyl and some iron-on vinyl. This thing's neat though. And I had seen a video where a lady did that to the back too. So I'm just wanting to make sure I do it right, because to get it all up. So now I'm just transferring it. It says I do all my ironing in the dryer. And I do. If I have to iron, I will, but I don't like it. But I thought this was cute. I've taken down all of the or we have Christmas, and then I've put my Christmas crafts away. So I'm just going with some neutral. I may be doing some Valentine's, I don't know. I normally jump straight into spring. And then I didn't show it, but I took some little clothespins and stained those with some black paint and water, and put 2 of those on the top, and then jute twine for the hanger. And I just think that's cute, and it's true. These are my Instagram and TikTok accounts. And then for DIY number 2, excuse me, my voice is trying to give out on me. This is a one of the, I had leftover cutting board signs from Dollar Tree, and more of that black matte paint, matte black. And again, this is just me trying to get familiar with the Cricut. I've wanted one for a long time, but I've been on the fence. There's so many different types, but I went with the, oh, what's it called? Explorer Air 2. Yeah. I think I give this 2 coats also. I'm not sure. But I dried the coats in between with the hair dryer. And now I have that transferred, excuse me, on to the transfer tape. And I just had this sped up because it really kind of took me a while. I had to put it on, I've got a table in my craft room. In this kitchen, we make messes and memories. I thought that was a neat saying. And then this is just some vinyl from Dollar Tree. And I just cut it down for the border or the sides. And I already have them both hanging. I may be doing a collaboration or mystery box challenge if our Dollar Tree gets any Valentine's stuff. so far they haven't. But I'm going to go, I think, tomorrow and see if they have any. And here I'm out of frame. I'm just cutting off because it's rounded. And I didn't cover the back of these in craft paper because I have them hanging on the wall. If I were going to sell them or something like that, of course you always want to do that. And then I just put some buffalo check ribbon for a hanger. And I like that saying. I saw one that said blessed are those who do my dishes. I thought that was funny. And then this one is a little tulip. I know, but it's like spring here. When spring comes, it'll probably be snowing. So it's just a metal. It came from Dollar Tree. All of these came from Dollar Tree. Now the, what do you call that? Scrapbook paper came from Walmart. And I may end up doing something different with this. I put a hanger on it, but I'm thinking about making it, putting a dowel on it and making like a bouquet arrangement or something with it. So I'm going to take some of this stick glue, that jute glue from Dollar Tree, and apply that scrapbook paper. And then I put some weight on it. But that's basically just what this video is. I wanted to do some DIYs with what I've learned so far from the Cricut. And I'm still watching videos, trying to get more familiar with what all it will do and all that jazz. I think that's pretty scrapbook paper. If I can get it on there straight. So after this, I will upload my unboxing. Like I said, I did it on my phone and I finally figured out how to reverse or make it look normal where everything isn't backwards on my phone. And then I just put the little word spring on there and a hanger. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and I will upload that other video, and you all have a good day. Good night. It's nighttime here. And thank you all for watching.